Welcome to Shivkumar classes. Today I am covering the topic on statistics, calculation of mean, median and mode. In terms of statistics, the very first and foremost thing we remember that mean, median, mode from the central tendency. Yes, this is the topic any person will remember whenever we heard that topic, central tendency or the word statistics. This is the common topic for class 11 and we call it as first PUC, or even it is for the first BCom, BBA, BCA and n number of courses what they do with the statistics, including in class 11 economics also this topic will be calculated. Yes, now in this we are going to calculate mean, median and mode. Yes, mean is the central value or the average, the median is the middle value and mode is the most repeated frequency, that values. Yes, mode will be represented in terms of Z, median will be represented in terms of capital M or MED and mean will be represented in terms of X bar. The problems will be worked out, it is into two different cases. One, it is the exclusive class interval and another one is the inclusive class interval. Now I am doing the problems, it is on exclusive class intervals. So exclusive class interval means that the upper limit of the one class will be the lower limit of the another class. Listen here, 10 is the upper limit, 0 dash 10. 0 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit. In second case, 10 dash 20. It starts with the 10. So this 10 is the upper limit of the previous class. The first value is called as the lower limit and next value is called as the upper limit. Second value is called as the upper limit. Now, since the upper limit of the one class will be continued with the another class. So 0, 10 is one class, 10, 20 is another class, 20, 30 is another class, 30, 40 is the another class, right? Now, I have given the problem with only class interval. Frequency I am going to give it is on an imaginary figure. For example, 5, 8, 12, 9, 6, 5, 4. Now, class interval means that within this value 0 to 10, 10, 20, it is the value that can be represented as X, and the frequency means the number of persons or number of observations that. Now 0 to 10 value, how many persons are there? 5%, that is it repeats for 5 times. 10 to 20 the value it repeats for 8 times, like that it is given. Only these two things are the question. Now the remaining 3 blank columns are there, that is the answer which we are going to work it out. So the very first thing they are asking us to calculate mean, median and mode. Very first one is we need to calculate mean, second one is the median and the third one is the mode. But the way which I am going to explain here it is, let us calculate the mode is first, median is second and mean at last, because these two information so far what it is given, that is the question. So when we want to do the mode means that we don't require the any other calculations in terms of the columns, directly which we are going to work it out. Now observe these frequencies. Which is the highest frequency? You observe it. The highest frequency is the 12. The 12 will be called as the F1 and The previous to F1, what it is there, that we call it as F0. And next to the 12, what it is there, we call it as F2. And in terms of F1, the lowest limit, what it is there, 20, that is called as the L, lowest limit. Now we are going to work it out, the problem on the mode is first. Next I will come to the median. Okay, let me write the formula. Please observe this one. Now the formula for mode. The formula for mode is Z is equals L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Yes. What it means? It means that the L is the lower limit, F1 is the highest frequency, F0 is the lowest frequency, and 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, and this has to be multiplied with the width of the class or size of the class. Some authors follow this as I. Now, as per the given instruction of the problem, so you got L is the 20. L is the 20. Now we can see this one. L is the 20. And F1 is the 12. F0 is 8. F2 is 9. 12, 8 and 9. Yes. F1 is the 12. F0 is 8 and 2 into F1, that means 2 into 12 minus F0 is 8 and F2 is 9 and the symbol is minus and 20 plus. I'll make this as bracket and it has to be multiplied with the C. C is the width. Width means 0 dash 10, 10 dash 20, 20 dash 30 means the difference is 10. Yes. Now we are going to work it out with the appropriate calculation. 12 minus 8, it is 4 divided by 2 into 12, 24, minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 multiplied by 10 is equals, now 12, 20 you write it as it is, 4 into 10 it is 40 divided by 24 minus 17. So 3 plus 4 it is the 7. It means that from the 40 we have to divide it by 7. 40 divided by 7 is equals 5.71 is equals 20 plus 5.71 is equals, the final answer is 25.71. Z means mode. The mode we got 25.71. Why the reason I calculated the mode is first means that, look into the problem, the number of columns is depending on based on our formula. So when you want to calculate mode separately without calculation of mean and median, then you don't require any other column other than the given question. And one more thing, you don't require total of frequency also. That is the reason I did not totaled up. Now let us total this. for the purpose of calculation of median. Now let me step into calculation of median. Total of 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 9 24, 24 plus 6 30, 35, 39, remaining 3 4. Your n is 49. Now you see that the same 49 will come for CF. CF means cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency means that we are going to bring it all the frequency in terms of total. First one is 5. Second one, what I should do, the 5 and 8 I should total up. The 5 and 8 is 13. And the third one is 13 plus 12 is equals 25. Next one is 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is equals 34. And next one is 34 plus 6 is equals 40. And next one is the 40 plus 5 is equals 45. And next one is 45 plus 4 is equals 49. Now you can observe that your n is 49 and cumulative total also is 49. Now only this much is enough for calculation of median. So the median, when we want to calculate, only 3 columns is sufficient. Then when you want to calculate the mean, the remaining 2 columns it is required. Only mean you are calculating means that CF is not required. So now you will come to know the reason why I have come from the reverse order mode. You don't require any extra column. Median, you require only LTCF for the CF. What is this LTCF? Less than cumulative frequency. Cumulative means all that we are adding together. Next. Now let us apply the formula and work it out this one. Now median, when I want to calculate the median, median is equals, first one is size of n by 2th item. Size of n by 2th item. My n is how much I got? N is equals 49. Therefore 49 divided by 2 is equals 24.5. Now I need to apply median formula. Median formula is equals M is equals L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. Right? Now the size of n by 2 I got 24.5. Now what I should do, where the 24.5 lies into the cumulative frequency, you should see that the 24.5 it lies in between 13 and 25. So my required value is 24.5, but here the value is 25, is that above that one. Therefore what I need to do, I have to select the previous one, that one. When compared to the previous cumulative value, what it is there, I have to select that one. How I am circling that, you see, previous value. Yes, this is the value which I am going to select, that one. How? The 13 is called as the CF, the 12 is called as the F, and the 20 is called as the L, based on the formula. My L is got, I got L is 20 plus my n by 2 which I calculated already, 24.5, 24.5, and in terms of CF I got the value 25 higher than the 24.5, so that I need to select the previous one, it is the 13. So that is the 13 which I am selecting here, divided by the frequency of that class, it is the 12 and width is 10. So 12 is the frequency of the class and width is 10. So what I need to do in next case, what I need to do, 20 plus 24.5 minus 13. So I get here it is the 11.5 divided by 12 multiplied by 10. Yes, so it means that I have to multiply that one. 11.5 into 10 divided by 12 is equals 9.58. 20 plus 9.58 is equals 29.58. 29.58 is my median. 29.58 is my median. Yes. Now these two calculations is over from the reverse order. Let us come to the calculation of the very first concept, mean. When I want to calculate the mean, I require the midpoint and FM. Why? Because my formula is x bar is equals summation FM divided by n. Summation FM divided by n, or else we can take it as n. Now I need to find the FM. F means frequency, M means midpoint, and some other authors take it as x small x. Now how to find the midpoint? It's very simple. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is equals 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, you get 15. Now henceforth you will get 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. What is the secret behind that? Your width is 10, 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30. Your width is 10. So that in midpoint also you will get the width is the same 10. Now this m you should multiply with the frequency. 5 5s are 25, 15 8s are 120, 25 12s are 300, 35 9s are 350 minus 13, 315. 35 into 9 is equals, yes, 315. 315. 45 6 are 99, 270. 55 5s are 275. 65 4s are 130, 260. Yes, this is the multiplication is over. Now we need to total up this one. The total we get 1565. This is called as summation FM. Summation FM. Now we need to apply the formula and we need to do the problem. Yes, x bar is equals summation FM divided by n. That is 1565 divided by 49. 1565 divided by 49 is equals, the final answer what we get, it is x bar is equals 31.93. So by calculation I have come the reverse order, but by working out it is the mean is the first, median is the second, and mode is the last. Yes, if you want you can take the screenshot of this one so that you can understand it very easily. Now up to this it is the mean, and up to this it is the median, and finally what it is there, it is the mode. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon button and like the video.